for your shorty. It's just me, I'm trying to start a party. Say my love for you.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I'm doing just like a chatty video. I just kind of want to talk about a few things that are going on in my life, anything new, just that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing my makeup while talking to you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be using my ABH eye primer, and I have my AirPods in. I've never filmed with these in. This is a little bit weird, but this is a new palette. I got it yesterday, and this is another new palette. Oh my god, it's so pretty. But today I want to just like a purple look, I feel like. But I mainly just wanted to film like a chatty video so I could update you guys on some things. I mean, there's not like a whole lot to update you guys on. Like, when is there ever a whole lot to update on? But I just felt like talking to you guys. I just want to show you guys how truly beautiful this palette is. I've only used it one time, but like, look how stunning that is. I got this like 2 or 3 weeks ago, I think. But I want to do something purple. I've wanted to do purple for so long now. So I think I'm gonna use these 3 colors right here. And then I'm also gonna do, I feel like this shimmer shade right here would be really pretty. So, updates. I got accepted into my cosmetology school. Like, what the fuck? That's crazy. I'm literally so excited, and I'm so proud of myself because I was so scared I wasn't gonna get in, which I don't know why I thought that, but at the same time they only picked 25 girls and 300 apply, so it's like crazy. But I'm so excited. I'm going in with the shade Morgan from the Mitchell palette to start. I always go in with my like mid shade first. I have to decide. I feel like I want to do a halo, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so all of my friends went and saw Trippie Redd on the 12th, and I'm very jealous. But to make up for it, I just bought my boyfriend tickets to see Jack Harlow in Cincinnati on the 28th of March. If I can get an applause for being Girlfriend of the Year award, I definitely think it's time right now. But I got him Jack Harlow tickets, and we're gonna go see him in concert, and we're gonna stay in a hotel, and I'm so excited. I love concerts so much, and since like the venue is only like 3,500 people, it's a very intimate concert, and I've never been to an intimate concert before. I've only ever been to big concerts, so I'm really excited to see like what that experience is like. My mom said that this venue is really nice, and like it's a lot of fun to go to like a smaller concert, so I'm super excited. I'm so happy that I got to do this for him too. Like, I love spoiling people, and I definitely think that a concert is a very good birthday present, so I'm excited. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the shade Motto and Moody Mitch. Moody Mitch is like a super dark blue color, but I'm gonna mix it with Motto to get more of a deep, cool purple, because I don't feel like there's a purple that's quite deep enough for what I'm wanting. So I just mix those 2 shades together, and I'm gonna put that in the lower outer corner, and then also on the lower inner corner, just to add a little bit more depth. And I don't know a bunch of Jack Harlow music. I only know of him because of my boyfriend. But my boyfriend, just like, Jack Harlow is one of his biggest inspirations, and I don't know. I'm like super happy that I got to do this for him. Like, I just think that's so cool. So now I'm gonna go with the shade Miles High, and it's a super light lavender purple shade. It almost has like a pink hint to it to me, but I'm just going on a really small brush, and I'm just gonna use that to blend all of the edges out, so it's super seamless. Okay, so for primer, I'm going in with this one. I don't really use this primer very often because it's just like old, and I feel like it doesn't really do a whole lot. Like, it just kind of like adds a barrier. That's kind of it, I feel like. Which like is kind of what, I mean, that's what primer's supposed to do. But this tripod is honestly really frustrating to try and film on because it doesn't get low enough. So I'm like sitting on my knees in my chair, and it's so uncomfortable. And this lighting is really, really bad. That's a little bit better. But for foundation, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation. So foundation looks super patchy under my this eye. So I'm hoping concealer will fix that. But I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution concealer, which is literally the only concealer I use anymore. I'll be using the Anastasia loose powder. So since I last like actually talked to you guys, I had influenza B and a sinus infection. It was like the middle of January, I think, like the 2nd or 3rd week of January. It was terrible. I thought I was going to die. It was the worst thing ever. And like most of my friends had it, and my boyfriend had it. And it was just terrible, like honestly, one of the worst. I've never been sick like that before in my life, and it was just seriously terrible. I don't wish that on anybody. For highlighter, I'm going in with my Beauty Bay Living My Best Light palette. And I'm gonna go in with Precious and just put a lot on my brush, and we going to glow. I love highlighter. It's really so pretty. For lips, I'm going in with this NYX lip liner in London, and then I'm gonna use a Morphe liquid lipstick in Virgin, and then the Pixie gloss on top by Morphe. Okay, so this is the final look. For lashes, I used ones by Skid Beauty. But this is the purple look. I definitely fuck with it. I feel like my lashes could be a little bit bigger, but it's okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.